Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can send crypto from your Coinbase mobile app to your crypto.com application. Our first step is going to be opening up Coinbase, and once Coinbase has opened up, you click on the icon at the top left corner of the screen where you can simply send, receive, and you can as well scroll down till you see send and receive. It's the same process. So you simply click on send, click on our available tokens, which are Litecoin and Bitcoin. So from here, we simply minimize this application, head over to crypto.com, give it some time to load up. And once crypto.com has loaded in, you simply click on deposits and click on crypto, and we're going to be sending, or rather we're going to be receiving Litecoin on our crypto.com. So you click on the search icon, which is hidden here, search for LTC, click on Litecoin, and we're going to be receiving our Litecoin on the Litecoin network. So any other tokens that are non-Litecoins would be discarded. So we simply copy our wallet address. For some reason, it's not showing here. So you copy this wallet address, head back to Coinbase, and you paste what you've just copied. You click on continue, and you're taken to the section where you can simply transfer your Litecoin to your crypto.com. This is where you input the amount of crypto you'd like to send, either in USD or in Litecoin, by using these arrows right here. So we're going to be sending $10 worth of USD. You click on preview, and with that, $10 would be deposited on your crypto.com mobile app. It will be deposited here, and you'd receive a notification that such a transaction has taken place. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can send your crypto from your Coinbase mobile app to your crypto.com application, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.